viewers, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John, and it came today, the Sewers Club sewing kit. It is a subscription box I have been subscribing to. As pointed out on Sunday, I have a lot of those stacked on the shelf over there, and just way too many. I have actually canceled the subscription box, so this will be the last one from Sewers Club that I am receiving. For no other reason other than I have been very ambitious. I have chosen way too many projects to work on, and as a result, now I have shelves full of these projects that I have yet to start. I can't say anything negative about Sewers Club. I think the price is competitive. I think I typically get a pretty nice box from them, but I just have not had time to work on all the stuff that I've been getting. So because of that, I am canceling the box. So don't take my cancellation as feedback to be negative against them. It's not meant to be. So with that said, now I will tell you I am disappointed because they can no longer get the orange boxes that they used to send us that were all nice and pretty. Now they're doing brown boxes. But I will also tell you, if you've watched and followed the channel, you know one of my pet peeves is when they stick everything in these plastic bags and things come all jumbled in there. Because I think we pay way too much money for our stuff to not get it shipped in a nice package to us. But that's my opinion, and some people disagree, and that's fine. You can disagree, but I'm not going to change my opinion on that. All right, so the nice thing is they always give us a card inside. They usually personalize it. Yep, so someone wrote my name on it, and it says, "Hi, John. Let's sew the Bliss Book Tote and bookmark using Haptic Wovens by Figo Studio and the June collection by Laura Moyer for Figo Fabrics." And then it tells me what's in the box. So this month in the box is the pattern to make the Bliss Book Tote and bookmark. So that is absolutely an adorable tote. I do hope one day to get that. I could never possibly use half the totes that I have on the shelf to make, but that's okay. I'll end up giving them away. Last year we used them as prizes for games and that I played at our Halloween party and again at one of the Christmas parties. So somehow it always gets done. Bliss Tote pattern, measure and cut pattern, video tutorial link is inside. It comes with all the fabrics. So fabric A is a dyed cotton called Mint Cross. And so it's a cute fabric. It's not one that I would have bought, but it is a cute fabric for this pattern, for what they're doing. I think it is really a cute setup. Fabric B is what we call a cream stripe. And look at that. That's what they're calling a stripe. So that is pretty adorable. So again, cute colors. Fabric C is pink or red petunia. And it looks like I got the red petunia, which is fine. I would probably have the red over the pink. And then they always give us a spool of Gutterman thread. Excuse me. I have never used, I don't know if it's Guterman or Gutterman, whatever. I have not used any of their thread, so I don't know the quality of it yet. I tend to be an Aurifil, Isocord, or Glide person. I will tell you all the cones hanging on the wall back there are Madeira, and all of that's to go in the 10 needle. So I do have a variety of threads. I just haven't had the need to put this on a machine. So I don't know if this is great thread, bad thread, or okay thread. But again, you know, that's part of being new and trying to figure all this out. They did give us a really cute hearts label, and it says made for you in gold glitter. And I will tell you, a boy can never have too much glitter. They did provide the fusible fleece for the bag, and they did provide the pull, zipper pull, and it says handmade, which is pretty cute. And they also gave me an add-on notion, which is the needle holder and point turner creaser. So this was an add-on gift, which is always nice to just get some extra notion. So especially as I'm trying to bounce between rooms and that. So overall, I think it's a really cute package. Like I said, I am no longer doing Sewers Club just because I've had too much, and I just overdid it and did not realize the time that it takes to do all of this plus work full time. So because of that, this will be the last box you see from them. But again, I think it's been a pretty good value. I think they have nice instructions. I just haven't been able to keep up, and because of that, I am actually trying to cut back a little bit, folks. So with all that said, that is the August subscription box from Sewers Club. I appreciate each and every one of you dropping in. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is pretty much me. This is pretty much what goes on. Things don't get mixed up too crazy with me. It is what it is. Thanks for being here. As always, I appreciate reading each and every one of your comments. Please hit that thumbs up if you like what I'm doing. And as always, tell your friends, neighbors, preachers, teachers, anyone that'll listen about our channel. Really would like to hit that 1,000 mark soon. And as always, until next time, happy crafting!